Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can private your Instagram account. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing you have to do is clicking on our profile button right here. Then we're going to click on this button on the top right corner of our screen, and then we have to select settings and privacy. And on the settings and privacy, we have to select account privacy. So you have to scroll down until you find account privacy, and this is the account privacy. And as you can see that my account is public account, and I'm going to change it to a private account. And then you have to click on this toggle button to make your account become private. So just tap on this toggle button, and then you can click on switch to private right here. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can private our Instagram account. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.